My name is Dr. Gordon Chang. I am the CEO and the founder of Omega Alpha Pharmaceuticals, as well as its professional arm, Alpha Science Laboratories. Since its inception in 1992, we have made the decision that every product that we sell, we will manufacture. This is important because it allows us to source all the raw materials, the top quality raw materials. It also allows us to have full control over quality control of the finished product. In the next few minutes, I'm going to take you on a virtual tour around our 40,000 square foot facilities and show you some of the processes that we have put in place to make a better product so that we can earn your trust.